You want to save? You really do. But every month, something derails your best intentions. Where does all the money go? You're not alone in this struggle. We're told to budget, cut coupons, and avoid lattes. But these surface-level tips miss the deeper psychological drivers that sabotage our financial goals before they even begin. Your true financial habits aren't born from spreadsheets, but from deeply ingrained subconscious patterns. These automatic behaviors dictate your spending far more than conscious decisions. Why do we overspend? Often it's driven by emotional needs. We seek comfort, status, or distraction. Recognizing these emotional triggers is the first step to breaking the cycle. A deep-seated fear of not having enough, a scarcity mindset, compels us to spend impulsively when opportunities arise. We fear missing out, hoarding rather than investing. Our brains are wired for immediate rewards. The dopamine hit from a purchase feels good now. Saving requires delayed gratification, a concept our current society often struggles with. Social media fuels the comparison trap. Seeing others' curated lives leads to lifestyle creep, where our spending expands to match perceptions, not our actual financial reality. We tell ourselves stories about why we deserve certain purchases. I worked hard. I need this. It's a treat. These narratives justify impulsive spending, making it feel earned. Stress, boredom, celebrating wins, or even visiting certain stores can be unconscious triggers. These environments and emotions create a perfect storm for unplanned, emotional spending. The good news? You can rewrite your financial story. It starts with awareness. Notice your patterns, understand your triggers, and consciously choose different actions beyond old habits. Instead of shopping when stressed, identify the stressor. Journal about it. Find non-monetary ways to cope: exercise, meditation, talking to a friend. Address the root cause. Redefine what treating yourself means beyond material goods. Celebrate achievements with experiences, personal growth, or quality time. Genuine fulfillment doesn't require a price tag. Practice delaying gratification. When you want something, set a 24-hour rule. Often the urge passes. If it persists, revisit the purchase with clearer intention. Engage in mindful spending. Before buying, ask, do I truly need this? How will it serve me? Does it align with my long-term goals? Pause and reflect. Visualize your savings goals clearly. Imagine that down payment, that trip, that debt-free feeling. A strong mental picture reinforces your motivation and makes saving more tangible. Make saving effortless. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account right after payday. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. Connect your savings to a powerful why. Is it financial freedom, supporting family, early retirement, or pursuing a passion? A strong purpose fuels consistent action. Prioritize a starter emergency fund. Even $500 to $1,000 can prevent you from derailing bigger goals when unexpected expenses pop up. It's your financial buffer. You must know where your money goes. Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook. Review it weekly. Seeing the outflow helps you identify patterns and cut unnecessary expenses. Learn to say no gracefully. Declining invitations or purchases that strain your budget is a powerful act of self-care and financial self-respect. Protect your goals. Acknowledge and celebrate saving milestones. Reaching a small target deserves recognition. This positive reinforcement trains your brain to associate saving with reward, not deprivation. Adopt the golden rule. Pay yourself first. Before any bills or discretionary spending, transfer a set amount to savings. This ensures your future self is prioritized. High-interest debt actively works against your savings. Create a plan like the debt snowball or avalanche method to systematically pay it down, freeing up cash flow. Ultimately, your financial success hinges on your mindset. Shift from "I can't afford it" to "How can I afford it?" This proactive question unlocks creative solutions. Your savings why is your anchor in financial storms. Keep it visible. Remind yourself daily. It's the emotional fuel that powers discipline when willpower fades. Educate yourself continuously. Read books. Follow reputable financial experts. Listen to podcasts. Knowledge empowers you to make smarter choices and avoid common pitfalls. Aim for realistic savings goals. Small, achievable targets build momentum and confidence. Don't set yourself up for failure with overly ambitious, immediate demands. Share your goals with a trusted friend or family member who supports your financial journey. Regular check-ins can provide encouragement and gentle nudges. Review your savings plan quarterly. Life changes, and your budget should adapt. Be flexible, make necessary adjustments, and stay committed to your long-term vision. As your income increases, consciously resist expanding your lifestyle proportionally. Direct a significant portion of raises and bonuses straight to savings and investments. Stop viewing saving as sacrifice. Reframe it as an investment in future freedom, security, and opportunities. It's about choosing what truly matters long-term. Don't underestimate the impact of small, consistent changes. Saving a little bit every day or reducing one small expense adds up significantly over time. Practice conscious consumption. Ask if a purchase genuinely adds value or just temporary satisfaction. Avoid mindless buying out of habit or external pressure. Train yourself to appreciate delayed rewards. The satisfaction of achieving a long-term financial goal is far more profound and sustainable than fleeting impulse buys. Be a detective of your own spending. Keep a log of when and where you tend to overspend. Recognize patterns like retail therapy after a bad day. Anticipate irregular costs like annual insurance premiums, holiday gifts, or car maintenance. Set aside a small amount each month in a dedicated sinking fund. Consider periodic social media breaks. Reducing exposure to aspirational lifestyles can significantly curb impulsive spending driven by comparison and envy. Cultivate appreciation for simplicity. True happiness often lies in experiences, relationships, and personal growth, not endless accumulation of material possessions. Don't create a budget so restrictive it feels impossible. Allocate a reasonable amount for fun money or discretionary spending to maintain motivation. Strengthen your connection to your future self. When tempted to overspend, visualize that future you. What are their goals? Who are they helping? If these patterns feel overwhelming, consider seeking help from a financial advisor or therapist specializing in financial psychology. Objective guidance can be invaluable. Explore ways to increase income, even slightly. Consider a side hustle, selling unused items, or negotiating a raise. Extra income earmarked for savings accelerates progress. Knowing your emotional and environmental triggers is crucial. Once identified, you can develop specific strategies to navigate or avoid them effectively. Saving isn't just about the principal, it's about compound interest. Even small amounts invested regularly grow exponentially over time. Patience is key. The debt snowball offers quick psychological wins, while the debt avalanche saves more money long-term by tackling high-interest debts first. Choose what fits you. View financial setbacks not as failures, but as learning opportunities. Each misstep offers valuable insight to refine your strategy and build resilience. Link a new saving habit to an existing one. For example, transfer $10 to savings immediately after brushing your teeth each morning. Shift focus from just income to net worth. Track assets minus liabilities. Seeing your net worth grow provides a holistic picture of your financial health. Regularly practice gratitude for what you have. This shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, reducing the urge to fill perceived voids through spending. Just like savings, automate debt payments. Ensure they are made on time to avoid fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Sometimes the best investment is in your own skills and education. Acquiring new abilities can lead to higher earning potential, boosting your savings capacity. Picture the end result of your saving goals. See yourself enjoying that vacation, debt-free, or retired comfortably. This positive visualization strengthens commitment. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to others today. Focus on your personal progress and celebrate your own incremental gains. Implement small delays before any non-essential purchase. A 24-hour or even 48-hour wait period allows emotions to cool and rational thought to prevail. Create specific sinking funds for predictable future expenses like vacations, car replacement, or education. Automate contributions to these designated savings pots. Saving fuels motivation, and motivation fuels saving. Break the cycle of inaction by taking the first small step. Momentum will build naturally. Envision your ultimate financial freedom. What does it look like? More time with loved ones? Pursuing passions? Let this powerful vision guide your daily financial decisions. Periodically revisit your core why for saving. Does it still resonate? Adjust your goals and motivations as life evolves to maintain your financial commitment. Consistency trumps intensity. Small, regular actions yield far greater results than sporadic bursts of effort. Keep showing up for your financial future. Saving isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. By understanding your subconscious habits and retraining your mindset, you can finally achieve lasting financial security. What's one small change you can make today towards your savings goals? Share your commitment in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey.